Hey guys, Zach here with Rigid Inspections. Just wanted to do a quick video here. And for some of you that don't know, a thing that we call out as home inspectors a lot are failed window seals. But there is a difference between a failed seal on a window and high humidity in the house, condensating on the window. So a good test that us home inspectors can do is just do like this, wipe. If you could feel the moisture and the condensation, and that means it's on the inside of the window pane. It's not stuck between the two pieces of glass. So that's not a failed seal, that's just high humidity indoors condensating on a cold window. So that's a big difference, because it doesn't mean that the window needs replaced, it just means that the humidity levels need to be controlled a little bit better. So I just wanted to show you guys that, because it could mean the difference between replacing a window and controlling the humidity better. So thanks for watching.